Earlier I mentioned that we had some data sitting in sheet 2. If I take you to sheet 2 in the Excel file, you can see there's a list of people's names in column A and a list of regions in column B. And what I've actually done is I've actually named these ranges as well. So if I hit the name drop down, I can actually choose people and see that that refers to A1 to A13. And if I hit the drop down here again and choose regions, that refers to B1 to B4. Having named those ranges, I now want to make the combo boxes in the user form find their information from these lists. So I'll just go back to sheet 1. Now what I want to do in the Visual Basic Editor is double click person. Well, actually just click it once, because what you can do in the properties window, and I might just resize it, make it taller, is you can find a property called row source. And when I find row source, it's here that I can type the name of the range that contains the information that's to be shown in this drop down. So we named that range people. So I'll tell it it's a range named people and enter. If I then click on region and I go to its row source property in the properties window, I can say its row source is region. Oops, now it isn't actually region, it's regions. So if I click OK and type regions, it'll find it. So I'll always check also that if you say that it's to have a source with a certain name, that name exists. Now let's just check that our combo box are properly populating. So I'm going to click on the user form and press the function key F5. If I then click the drop down for person, it should find the range called people in sheet 2. If I click the drop down for region, it should find the range called regions in sheet 2. And I'll just click the cancel button and save.